Variables, types, and f-strings. Variables are the building blocks of every Python program. A variable stores a value. In Python, you create one by assigning a value with the equals sign. No type declarations needed. Python figures out the type automatically. This is called dynamic typing. The variable does not have a fixed type. You can assign an integer to x, then reassign it to a string, then to a list. No errors. This makes Python flexible, but requires you to be careful. Python has 5 basic data types. Int for whole numbers with no size limit. Float for decimal numbers. str for text using single or double quotes. Bool for true or false. And none, which means no value at all. None is Python's version of null. It is not the same as 0, false, or an empty string. Always use the is keyword to check for none, not the double equals operator. This is an important Python convention. Use the type function to check what type a value is. Use isInstance to check if a value is a specific type. IsInstance is better because it also works with inheritance. You can even check multiple types at once with a tuple. Python supports optional type hints. Add a colon and the type after the variable name. Type hints do not change how code runs. Python ignores them at runtime, but they help you and other developers understand the code better. F-strings are the modern way to format strings. Add the letter F before the quotes and put variables inside curly braces. You can put any expression inside the braces, including math operations and function calls. F-strings support number formatting. Use :2f for 2 decimal places. Use :comma for thousand separators. Use :0% for percentages. You can also add equals for quick debugging output. Strings have many useful methods. Upper and lower change the case. Strip removes whitespace from both sides. Find searches for a substring. Replace swaps one substring for another. Split breaks a string into a list. String slicing lets you extract parts of a string. The syntax is string, open bracket, start, colon, end. The start index is included, but the end is not. Use negative indices to count from the end. Use a step to skip characters. Python supports all standard math operations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. / always returns a float. Double / is floor division and returns an integer. Double star is the power operator. You can convert between types using built-in functions. Int converts strings to integers. Float converts to decimal numbers. str converts numbers to strings. Be careful with int on floats because it truncates, it does not round. Every value in Python is either truthy or falsy. False, 0, empty strings, none, and empty collections are all falsy. Everything else is truthy. This lets you write clean conditions like if name instead of if name is not equal to empty string. Python has shorthand augmented assignment operators. Plus equals adds to the variable. Minus equals subtracts. Star equals multiplies. These also work with strings. Plus equals on a string appends text to the end. Python does not have true constants. By convention, use uppercase names for values that should not change. max_retries, API_URL, pi. Nothing stops you from changing them, but the uppercase name signals do not modify this. You can assign multiple variables in one line. Assign the same value with x = y = 0. Assign different values separated by commas. Swap 2 variables without a temp variable using a comma, b = b, a. Watch out for common mistakes. Do not confuse single equals for assignment with double equals for comparison. Remember that / always returns a float. And always check none with is, never with double equals. In the next video, we will learn about control flow. You will master if, elif, else statements for loops, while loops, and Python's powerful match case statement for pattern matching. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.